If you want to take a screenshot without using buttons on Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, you can use the palm swipe gesture. So with the edge of your hand, you can swipe from left to right or from right to the left side of your screen. So for example, something like that. This allows you to capture a screenshot quite easily. If this swipe gesture doesn't work for you, you want to go to settings, then over here search for advanced features, and then we're gonna go to the motions and gestures in order to make sure that palm swipe to capture is enabled. Besides that, you can also go to quick settings or the control center, and you can add the screenshot button in here. So we're gonna use the pen that we have at the top of the screen, then we're gonna edit this section where we have all shortcuts, and then you should be able to find take screenshot option somewhere in here in available buttons. So we can add it to the list quite easily. Now let's tap on done, and you can find and use this button to capture a screenshot. Also, another way to capture a screenshot is by going to accessibility settings. So we're gonna open settings on our phone and go to accessibility, then in here proceed to interaction and dexterity, and we can enable assistant menu. Once you enable it, you will find this button which we can tap on in order to find the screenshots button. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.